proper jumping technique. So when you're teaching a cardio tramp workout, it's very important to discuss proper jumping technique. It's not about jumping as big as you possibly can jump. It's really much more about articulating through the feet and fully extending the joints. So I tell my clients that I really just want them jumping about an inch away from the cardio tramp each time. The other big important thing about the jumping is that you're going to be in open kinetic chain for a split second. So it really is so much about the ability to stabilize the pelvis and spine in neutral, or in some cases in imprint. So the abs are going to be working super, super hard, especially on the lighter resistances when there's more hang time. But basically it's just an easy, so I'm going to exhale to engage my abs, but it really is just pushing easy and then toe ball heel. It's got a little floating quality, Push and push. I'm squeezing my sit bones together, activating my abs, not allowing my back to arch, right? I'm really staying connected through the abs, If your clients are having trouble, if they're feeling a lot of, if they're having trouble stabilizing with their abs and they're arching their back and feeling pressure in their back, you can have them place their hands kind of underneath their sacrum. That'll help kind of counterbalance that a little bit. Just a nice, easy, again, just a nice, easy jump. They can also kick their feet up a little higher. Do you see how I'm kicking just above the top of the cardio tramp? Again, that reduces, or that in kind of decreases, well, it's more of an acute angle, so it decreases the angle at the hip, which it makes it easier for the abs to stabilize. It decreases the amount of weight that the abs have to stabilize against, I should say. Another thing that sometimes happens is there's a lot of tension in the neck, so you might want to put pads under their heads, because what that will help to do a little bit is it just gives them a little cervical flexion, and it helps them in a little upper thoracic flexion if you really give them a lot of pads. It helps them keep their rib cage connection a little easier, but it definitely helps to release the neck flexor. Sometimes you'll just really see these guys really turn on. But again, toe ball heel, just an inch off of the cardio tramp, as opposed to we're not trying to do that. And that's a little talk about proper jumping technique.